is enough.
Yeah.
Is enough. Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard for us to complain about weather when you see stuff like that. It's been pretty chilly outside. Cold conditions coming after our Saturday cold front, leaving us with Easter temperatures only into the 30s. It was really one of those difficult days to get the kids outside because they wanted to go play so bad. But yeah, temperatures only in the 30s. And today it's not much nicer. It's 41 degrees right now. That's the current temperature readout at the Pocatello Airport. And we're seeing sunny conditions. You do have some clouds around here as we take a live look at the Farm Bureau sky cam. Idaho Falls, we've had some dark clouds passing through this afternoon. Overcast skies reported at the airport, 36 degrees. So only just a few notches above freezing with winds out of the north at 10 miles an hour. And your wind chills into the upper 20s. We do have a few spotty snow showers from those clouds overhead. You are picking up on some of that snow here on VIPIR radar, but we're not getting anything heavy at this point. Some light rain, some light snow. More wet weather expected to roll in here from the north as we get into your Tuesday and Wednesday, as we have a system that's right now coming over the Canadian Rockies, and it's going to come right down the mountains heading here into Montana, Idaho, and Wyoming way as we get that cold front moving through. Wet conditions with us here, pretty much focused in Montana tomorrow, but some of this is spilling over into eastern Idaho and western Wyoming. So for the most part, it's going to be a dry Tuesday, but I do see some spotty showers coming through. But the mountains definitely will see some wet weather, at times even accumulating some snowfall for the next 24 hours with some heavier snow expected for Wednesday. So tonight on the VIPIR-CAST, spotty snow showers in central Idaho and then also into portions of southeastern Idaho. A bit of this wet weather drifting in tonight, like I mentioned. Quiet early tomorrow morning, but late tomorrow morning and midday, the snow starts working back down here from the north. And like I mentioned, we'll have a chance of seeing some of this wet weather in the Snake River Plain, but most of it's going to be hanging up into the high country, like around West Yellowstone, Island Park, and then into the mountains of central Idaho. Passing snow and rain showers here tomorrow afternoon. Then we pick up more wet weather. Heavier showers expected for Wednesday. It's in fact, I would say more widespread showers for your Wednesday, and a possibility of some maybe good soaking rain mixed in with the snow here. This is what it looks like at Wednesday, 2 o'clock, and we got that cold air coming in here from the north. Wind speeds a nuisance, but not terribly gusty out there. Winds on average into the teens and 20s, gusts up around 25 to 30. So it will be windy, nowhere near the wind advisory levels we had just this past Saturday, so that's some good news. But do look out for some wind out there, and of course the wind making it feel just a bit cooler with the wind chill. Temperatures tomorrow scoring into the 40s, around Malad and Preston, the upper 40s that is, but the lower 40s as you go on the other side of the mountains towards Soda, Montpelier in the upper 30s in Afton. Highs in the upper 30s for Driggs and Jackson tomorrow with 46 in Rexburg, 42 in Ashton with 36 in Island Park. Highs in Salmon at 48 with the mid to upper 30s around Stanley. Lower 40s in Ketchum with the highs into the mid 40s for Arco. And we'll be hitting the highs in the mid to upper 40s range for Idaho Falls tomorrow. Upper 40s, low 50s around Pocatello, and the mid 50s around Burley. So temperatures are down. Normal highs for this time of the year would be pushing high 50s, low 60s. It's going to take us some time to recover our temperatures, and that's going to happen, thankfully, by this weekend. As we head into Saturday and Sunday, the numbers do start to perk up a little bit here heading into the weekend with highs around 57 and 62. So 48 for tomorrow in Idaho Falls, and again, it's going to feel chilly outside with the breezy conditions and those passing showers. Pocatello high of 50 for tomorrow and Wednesday, mid 40s for wet Thursday, and back into the 60s by Saturday. As we go to Blackfoot, you'll see highs here hitting the upper 40s for tomorrow, the upper 40s on Wednesday, but the winds will make it feel about 10 degrees colder at times. 45 for the high on Thursday with some lingering showers. Wednesday's looking pretty soggy around Rexburg as well with a high of 45, back into the 50s and 60s though for this weekend and next week. Central Idaho, Salmon and Chalice will have highs here in the upper 40s for tomorrow and Wednesday, mid 40s on Thursday with highs getting close to 60 by this Saturday. And Jackson, some snow in the forecast here along with Island Park, and things get pretty snowy here for tomorrow and Wednesday with highs only into those mid to upper 30s, but things start to look a little bit nicer as we head closer into this weekend. Our Tad Jenkins Spirit of Idaho comes to us from Ashton. Joyce took this picture in Ashton, and it's entitled "Enough with the Snow." And I can see why. You see some grass, but you still have piles of snow that Joyce is maybe better half here trying to get rid of with the snow machine, there's snow plow, I guess. But just wow, yeah, still quite a bit of snow there in Ashton. I'd like to see your Spirit of Idaho, KIDK.com/weather. Todd, I think we could all relate. I think
yeah.